Hey everyone, hope you people are doing good. You want to know about bb.com.au? If yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review on this website. So let's check out the detail. It is an Australian brand on this e-commerce platform. This website deals in various kind of pram, nursery wear and pram accessory. It has a single as well as twin pram also. The two popular brand that is 123 Grow and Baby Einik also comes under this umbrella. As per the website, they promise to give quality baby accessories. So let's check out the specification of the site. It is HTTPS website, but they have not mentioned any email address, website, physical address, and the contact details, and it is not a good sign. As far as website's category is concerned, the website is selling completely requirement of baby from stroller to hangers. The website has not currently supporting any exchange or return. The website does not have a refund policy. The e-commerce site does not look plagiarized. Let's check out the positive point of the site. The website has an average trust score, implying a red flag towards is BB legit. There is an HTTPS presence on the site. The company sells baby products that are reasonably priced and look natural. There is a social media presence. The website has a very flexible payment modes, including cash on delivery. The negative point of the site are the website has no contact information present. As far as customer reviews are concerned, there is no customer review available, hence it creates doubts concerning the genuineness of the site. The website has no email support ID. The website also does not have any return or refund policy. As far as customer reviews are concerned, as we all know that it is primary trust building mechanism that enable customer to shop peacefully and grow the quality of the site and the product. But unfortunately, the customer review for this website are not available, which is a significant concern. Still, some neutral customers have placed their reliance on the website while shopping for baby product. Customers have said that they have received excellent product. Same on the other hand, some of the customers from the United States have said that they have received awful and broken products when shopping from this site. So, in our final verdict, we can say that the website links to a parent company which also has a different website. There is no domain name mentioned or any customer review mentioned anywhere. So, we can say that the website has a good trust score but looks fishy due to lack of information. So, from our point, we are just recommending you to make your own thorough research before making any type of shopping from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from VB, please share your views and experience of shopping from this store. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.